Hi there. Thank you for joining the SharePickers Investment Club. It's much appreciated. And also, thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. I believe it will be worth your while. Now, before I give you a virtual tour of the site, I just want to explain quickly why I set this site up. Now, I am a passionate investor, and my mission is to become the best investor I can. Now, to do this, I need to find great businesses that possess the fundamental traits of previous big winners. Winners whose share price have gone on to rise by several 100%. Some have gone on to be 10 baggers or more. As I mentioned in the book, I believe there's only two ways to create your own wealth. Number one is to own a great business. That's not easy. Starting up, getting the funding, dealing with HR, supply chain issues, all that kind of stuff. It's very hard to create an excellent, great business that's extraordinary. Secondly, a little bit easier, is to own a share of a great business. Now, it's not easy because you have to do research and everything, but it's a lot easier than actually starting another business. This website is all about trying to find those great businesses to invest into that can transform your wealth over time. By the way, if you've not read my book, please do read it because it explains a bit more detail about what I'm trying to do with the club and with my own personal strategy. Okay, let's start. But one more thing before I start. I will send you an email every week. And I don't want to inundate your email box because the maximum I'll send is probably maybe 2 emails a week. But one regular email I will send is about the Wednesday weekly webinar, which is live on a Wednesday at 6 p.m. It's also recorded for the website. I'll talk about that later. But if you don't get that email on a Wednesday around 5 p.m., please check your spam folder. And then go in there, if it's there, and mark it as not spam. This is very important because I also set up updates on the website, on my investments, if I buy or sell a company. So if you're not getting these emails, you're not really engaging with the club and what I'm doing. So please check your spam folder to see if that email's in there, okay? Okay. Let's get into the tour of the website. Okay, let's start off with the homepage. A very good place to start, I think. Sharepickers.com is the address, of course. And you can access all the content on the website from the homepage. All right. Now, you won't be able to if you're not logged in. So check up here to see if you are logged in. If it says my account, you are logged in. If it says log in or sign up, then you're not logged in and you can't access the content. All right. Right, let's start on the top left here. Learning, drop down menu here, get started, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, portfolio management. All right, let's put the first one, getting started. In here, you'll see the welcome video, which is this video right now. I'll be updating this. I'll also be adding 2 more videos, one about the MICROCAP League and one about the MICROCAP database. Now, there's so much information in those videos that I'll have to do it separately, okay? But I will be doing that there, and you'll see them there very soon. So let's go back. You click that or the thing, and fundamental analysis. This very much comes under the heading of what to buy in my book, all right? Now, the MICROCAP League's figures are all based on numbers, the figures. In other words, financial reports. They are fact, not opinion. So that's what I like about the MICROCAP League. Every company is treated the same on their numbers, okay? You may see sort of people talking on social media or on blogs about certain companies giving their opinion. This is not opinion. The MICROCAP League is based on fact, on figures. Now, every year a company releases financial reports. In the UK, listed companies have to release them twice. Okay, that's the first 6 months of the year. So say a company, for example, their financial report, the financial year, it goes from the 1st of January to the 31st of December. Then the first 6 months would be to the 30th of June. So they do H1 report, or interim is called, first half. And then they do the full year, which is from the 1st of January to the 31st of December. So in every one of these reports, the interims and the full year reports, there are 3 statements that are worth paying attention to. So if you want to learn about this and how I go about getting the numbers for the MICROCAP League, then it's worth watching these videos. So the income statement, or the profit and loss account, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. That's where I take all the figures from, okay? Now, it's worth learning about that. They're not long videos, and they give the basics. They don't go into too much depth, so hopefully that'll help you out. Then you got technical analysis. This comes under the heading of when to buy in my book. Momentum is a very powerful force. You should never ignore it. Fundamentals are the most important. Generally, a chart, sooner or later, a company's chart will start to reflect the fundamentals of a company. But there may be a lag There may be something, it's maybe microcaps, you may be getting a big seller in there for some reason, taking the share price down. So this will help you learn how to set up a chart, how to view downtrends, ranges, uptrend, setting alerts on a chart so you never miss out when a company starts to rise or goes past a certain level. Also, how to set up watch lists, forecasts, and financials on TradingView, which is the chart platform I use, which is the best chart platform out there. So it's worth paying attention to that. And also, if you want to set your own screener on TradingView, I explain how to do that right there. So I hope that makes sense. Now, portfolio management. This is, it comes under the heading of how to buy in my book. And this is a text taken from my book. There's lots of stuff in here. It's not a video, but it's worth learning, I think. It's one of the most important things about investing in portfolio management. Is how to manage what you're buying, how much to buy, how much exposure you should have, how many stocks should you have, all that kind of thing there. So it's very important, okay? So check that out if you can. Okay, let's go to the blog. On here, it's very important, the blog. Very important indeed. You will see any update I give that doesn't fit into any of the category goes right here. So you can see top 20 fund, which are companies I've invested into, from the MICROCAP League, my core holdings, and any sort of updates like a new buy I make, I'll post on a blog right here. I'll probably send out a link via email, but sometimes I don't send out too many emails, so please just check this if you can. Also on here, there's an explainer on the MICROCAP database, which will include the video I will show you. That'll be in other section as well. Join the chat group. Okay, and like I said, there's all other little bits of information, articles I write here. Okay, all right, the MICROCAP League. Let's go to that. This is a very exciting function I set up, and these are companies will probably have the best risk reward out there for any MICROCAP. So they're all pretty much sub 100 million, around about that or less. Okay, they're all profitable, and obviously they all generate revenue. There's a separate video in this because there's a lot of detail in there. Because, for example, you click in there, there's a lot more detail to go into. Okay, so I won't get into that in this video, but check out the next video for all the little bits on that. The MICROCAP database, and now on a daily basis, I sort of look at any company, any significant news released by a MICROCAP company, and see whether they're eligible for the MICROCAP League. Essentially, are they profitable? If they are, they're sub 100 million and they're profitable, then they are eligible for the MICROCAP League. They may not appear in the MICROCAP League because they don't have the growth or the value that would give them good scores. But nevertheless, I categorize them here. And if you click in here, there's a lot more information. But like I said, I'm not going to go into that now because it's just a bit too much detail here for this video. Also here are a few other watch lists. They're in the same format as these sort of other MICROCAP League, so in the same format, but they're my holdings. You can see there, obviously that will change from time to time. Hall of Fame, these are companies that have started off in the MICROCAP League, but have gone bigger and done very well than 100 million market cap. So just keep an eye on them because obviously they're potentially big future winners. There's potential, which is a watch list of the companies that are not yet profitable, but maybe on the way to earning a maiden profit, and also and then they become eligible for the MICROCAP League, and then the recovery, which company's gone through a rough time, maybe getting better. All right. So this is just information on the book for people who have not bought the book. By all means, click in there. Now the webinar, like I said, right here on the blog. Go back to the blog. It'll only be there for a few hours, but I give the link to the live webinar right here. Okay. After the webinar is finished, of course, I take it down. Now, if you miss the live webinar, you can't join for any reason, then I upload it right here. Okay, to the webinar. By the way, I also send out a link, of course, the weekly webinar. But like I say, if you miss that link, or I don't know, you delete the email or whatever, you can always find the link in the blog section. Okay, but it's not there, of course, after the live webinar goes out because the link becomes redundant. But like I say, if you miss the webinar, then about an hour or two after the webinar finishes, I upload it right here. Okay, hope that makes sense. You can watch the format there. News, last section here. These news from companies that are sub 100 million. Like I said, every day there are thousands of RNSs come out. Well, maybe not thousands, but there's several hundred RNSs. RNSs is regulatory news service, and these are the news release via London Stock Exchange. And so, you have to sort of wade through hundreds of companies to find out something you want. You don't have to do this here, but because you only see news from companies here that are sub 100 million that are generating revenue. So straight away, you're using that filter to cut out a lot of companies. So you get the last week's shares. So you click on Monday, for example, and you scroll down, and there's information on Monday. Monday was bank holiday. So you get the market cap, the revenue, the news title, what the company is, the section, all that. You scroll through there, okay? And you get the last week's worth of news right there. Now, hopefully, this video has helped explain the website. If you have any questions, then by all means, don't hesitate to ask me, justin@sharepickers.com, or post it in the chat group. Like I said, the link to the chat group is right here. Just trying to click that, and that link will take you to the chat group, okay? And because you may be asking a question other people want to have an answer to, and so it may help other people too. Now, if you go in the chat group, make sure, and you're asking me a question, make sure you sort of copy me in, so it's @SIC, and if you put that first before you ask the question, I'll be notified about that, okay? So hopefully that helps. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully catch up on the live weekly webinar.